In desert gardens and sun-soaked fields, cantaloupes have been grown for thousands of years, not only for their sweetness, but for the comfort they bring. Cool, juicy, and golden-hearted, cantaloupes carry the essence of sanctuary, a soft place to land in the heat of summer. The cantaloupe, also known as the muskmelon, is one of the most ancient cultivated melons, with its origins rooted in Persia, India, and parts of Africa over 4,000 years ago. From the beginning, it has been revered, not only as food but as medicine, a fruit of hydration, cooling, and internal balance. Ancient Egyptians grew early melon varieties along the Nile, and seeds have been found in tombs, offerings of nourishment for the soul's journey into the next world. In Persia, melons were prized for their aroma, their sweetness, and their ability to soothe in harsh climates. They were symbols of abundance and beauty, and often eaten in shaded courtyards served with mint. Greeks and Romans expanded melon cultivation across the Mediterranean. Writings from the 1st century describe sweet melons enjoyed by nobility and healers alike. By the time the melon reached Europe's cooler climates, it had taken on a new name, Cantaloupe, after the papal gardens in Cantaloupe, Italy, where the fruit was cultivated during the Renaissance. From ancient desert farms to sacred ceremonial meals, cantaloupe has traveled the world as a fruit of sweetness, rest, and return. It reminds us that even in the heat of life, there can be moments of cool, soft peace. One cup cantaloupe, 156 grams, is 60 calories. It's got 14 grams carbs, 1.6 grams fiber, 1.5 grams protein, and 0.3 grams fat. And it's got vitamins A, C, K, and B9, and minerals, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Cantaloupe is a fruit of replenishment. Rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, it supports skin health, immunity, and cellular repair. Its high water and potassium content help regulate fluid balance and cool the body, making it ideal for hot climates and high-energy seasons. Gentle sweetness comes from natural sugars balanced by fiber, which is easy on the blood sugar levels. The vitamin A content supports vision, tissue repair, and a glow from within. Energetically, cantaloupe is considered cooling and moistening, ideal for balancing dryness, inflammation, and burnout. It's a fruit that reminds the body how to rest, rehydrate, and receive. Look for cantaloupes that are heavy for their size, with a netted beige golden rind and a slightly sweet aroma at the stem end. Avoid overly soft spots or green-tinted skin. A ripe cantaloupe will give slightly when pressed at the blossom end. Store whole melons at room temperature until ripe. Once cut, cover and store in the fridge for up to 3 days. More than just a snack, this beautiful fruit can be a complete restorative meal on its own and is best enjoyed fresh. A typical medium cantaloupe weighs about 1.5 to 2 pounds and yields about 4 to 5 cups of fruit. Simply cut it down the center, scoop out all the seeds, and eat it with a spoon. Such ease, hardly any effort, food as nature intended. If you prefer something a bit fancier, cube it, ball it, or slice it into wedges. Some even carve cantaloupes into elaborate, beautiful patterns. Its flavor pairs well with lime, cucumber, and cooling herbs like mint and lemon balm. Today, you might enjoy it drizzled with lime juice, as part of a fruit platter with other hydrating companions like watermelon and berries, or tossed with greens as a refreshing salad. Or for a hydrating tonic, perhaps you'd like to blend it with coconut water and mint for a glass of pure restoration, summer cold and soul deep. Cantaloupe, the fruit of quiet healing. It doesn't rush or demand. It offers. It hydrates, softens, and restores. Let this fruit remind you to take time for nourishment without urgency. Time to come home to the body, to sweetness, to sanctuary. Don't forget to visit the Fruitiful Soul Society to download your July resources, including the Cantaloupe coloring sheet and our new Sanctuary Salad recipe card. Click the link in the description. And as always, stay fruitful, you beautiful soul.